AI automation businesses or agencies are everywhere right now. But here's the thing, not all of them make money. Most are traps. So today we're deconstructing 6 different AI automation agency business models: websites, content, leads, design, video scripts, and chatbots. And I'm going to show you which one has real unit economics that you can make money with. I'm Rich. I've watched 1,000 business models come and go. AI agencies are really hot right now for obvious reasons. Everyone's selling a business course on them because everybody's an expert. But like anything hot, they're selling you a carrot without showing you what's really happening inside. So let's break them all down right now. First is a simple AI automation agency. Simple. You use AI tools to solve a client's problem faster and cheaper than hiring humans. Then you charge them a fee. That's the whole game. The question isn't whether it works, it's which business models actually work and which ones are designed to fail. All right, model 1 is the website builder. You use ChatGPT or Claude to write copy, Midjourney for images, Wix to host. You charge a local business $2 to $5 grand up front. Sounds great, but here's the trap. Client lifespan is 1 to 2 years before they need a redesign. Competition is crushing prices. Your margin gets compressed to nothing, and you need constant customer acquisition. And once the client knows what you did, they can hire a freelancer for $500 to maintain it. So this model is dead on arrival. Everybody knows what's happening here. Model 2, the content creation agency. You build 10 blog posts a week, social media posts, email sequences, all AI generated. You sell it as a package. Better margins than websites. 60 to 70% gross if API costs stay low. But here's what's happening. Clients already asking you to cut rates because they know AI made it. And they know AI made it cheaper. The race is to the bottom here. And here's the thing. Most small businesses don't actually convert from blog traffic anyway. You're creating noise for them. Doesn't really make a difference. When the ROI comes through, they're going to know the gig is up. Number 3, the lead gen play. You use AI to scrape data, build lists, write personalized outreach emails at scale. Charge clients a percentage of sales or monthly fees. Sounds like arbitrage, but it's not. What you're really doing is cold outreach on someone else's dime. Deliverability is awful because everybody is doing the same exact thing. Response rates are collapsing, you're burning through email lists, and you're burning relationships. This one's a race to the bottom as well. Model 4, the design agency. Midjourney images, Canva layouts, Adobe AI tools, 3 to 10 grand per project. Same problem as websites. Clients learn the tools or they hire cheaper. Margin compression is fast. You're competing against every AI tool user on the whole planet. Model 5, the video script and thumbnail agency. ChatGPT for scripts, Midjourney for thumbnails, and you sell to YouTubers. Low barrier to entry means low prices. High volume means burnout. And here's the reality. YouTubers who are serious enough to hire for scripts are serious enough to pay for quality. You're competing on price, not value. In Model 6, the Chatbot Agency. This is the one that actually works. You build a custom chatbot for a client's business, train it on their data, charge them $500 to $2 grand per month recurring. And here's why this wins. First, it's recurring revenue. The client stays for years, not months. Second, it actually saves them money or makes them money. You're measurably solving a problem. And third, there's a real service behind it. Training, customization, and support. You're not selling snake oil. You're selling a tool that works, that happens to be using AI to make it work. So here's the kicker. The agencies making real money aren't selling AI, they're selling outcomes. Faster response times to customers, better lead conversion, reduced churn. They position themselves as a solution partner, not a tech vendor. And that's the difference. So which AI arbitrage agency model would you actually pursue? The honest answer and the only answer is the chatbot model because it has real unit economics. But even then, you need to understand your numbers cold. Let me break down the math for you. A chatbot agency that charges $1,000 monthly per client needs 12 clients to hit $140,000 in annual revenue. Before you split with a partner or pay yourself a salary, you need about $30,000 to be comfortable. That means you need a sales process, not just a cool product. You need case studies. You need proof that chatbots actually work for your client's industry. You need to compete against bigger agencies that already have these things, already have chatbots. The real money in AI arbitrage isn't being first. It's in being systematic. Pick one model, become really good at it, build real case studies that work, and help companies. You need to help companies. There's no magic here. Charge based on value, not hours, and most importantly, actually deliver results. The agencies that survive the next 12 months will be the ones that own their numbers, not the ones selling some BS and selling dreams. If you want to explore chatbot route, one platform that's powering real agencies right now is Bot Penguin. They handle the technical side so you can focus on the client relationship and implementation. I'll link it in the description. It's got a solid program if you want to test the market without building your own tool. And you get a special bonus by using my affiliate link in the description. So click on it. Bottom line, AI automation agencies are real, but most of them are traps designed to separate you from your time and money. The ones that work are the ones with recurring revenue, measurable outcomes, and actual customer relationships. Everything else is just courses about selling courses. We don't need that. As with anything, you sell professionally, you need to become an expert on the tools and how to use them. Use the AI tools, understand them, and then you'll figure out how to apply and use them in different businesses. It takes time, but you need to put in the work. All right, so tell me, which AI business model do you like the best that I've spoken about? Or have you actually tried? Have you taken any courses that were total bombs? Share your experience in the comments. We're all interested in knowing firsthand experience. So that's the reality check. So I'll see you next time. Subscribe, people. Later.